About sulfonamide. Sulfonamide is chemotherapeutic drug. It's an antifungal drug. Today we will see about its structure and its synthesis. I mean its mechanism, how it is synthesized, and therapeutic activities. Therapeutic activities are nothing but its uses, and we will see its side effects. And its structure is, this is its structure. And the common name is a para-amino benzene sulfonamide. We will see how it is synthesized. I mean its mechanism. Synthesis. We will do nitration of benzene. And we will get nitrobenzene. Then we will do reduction. Reduction of nitrobenzene is through SN and HCl. We will get aniline. Now we will do sulfonation of aniline under heat. We will get, because it's an plus M para-directing group and ortho-directing group, we will take para product, that is SO3H. Here electrophile is SO3H, so we will attach it here. And now we will take protecting group. That protecting group is acetic anhydride. In the presence of acetic acid, that will protect this amino group. Now we will add ClSO3H. We will get SO3Cl, SO2Cl we will get. Now we will add amine here, and we will, it's already protected, so here it will take one HCl and we will get SO2 and H2. Now we need to remove the protection because the product is this one, this we need. So here we will add of this to get NH2 and SO2 and H2. This is how we synthesize sulfonamide. This is sulfonamide. The uses of sulfonamide. It is an antifungal drug. It's an antifungal drug. So how it works? It works by stopping the growth of function in the area where the infection is causing. Okay, so what does it do? It stops the function of fungus. And its side effects are, it's high toxic. It's an highly toxic, and it is stopped because the less toxic availability of sulfur drugs are less. I mean less toxic sulfur drugs are less. And nowadays it is used in veterinary medicines, and so it is used in veterinary medicines. Thank you for watching the video.